rearrange the elements. Lyrical experiments can't measure experience. Spiritual intelligence develop in your consciousness.
They're teleporting tractor beams, they're hacking up our magic beams. Geneticists, they plant the seed, illusions in your memories. We just know that it could be lifting our mentality. Student of the prophecy, revealing the philosophy. Cops say do not bother me, I am not your property, I am not your enemy. Poseidon grants me amnesty.
All these psychic elephants, they rearrange the elements.
Brains feeling the chemistry, cooking up a laser
bang.
Not suppressive consciously, unsupervised psychology.
Lyrical experiments can measure the experience.
Can you sense the energy, lifting us up chemically, attracting us mystically, connecting us all physically?
Spiritual intelligence develop in your consciousness. All these psychic elephants, they rearrange the elements. Lyrical experiments can measure the experience. Spiritual intelligence develop in your consciousness.